Hello, and on this edition of Tech Talk, we're going to be talking about Sprint Zone and triaging battery issues. So once you get Sprint Zone loaded up here, we'll click on the diagnostics emblem up here in the top. It'll load our diagnostic menu. Now, there's certainly a couple things that we want to look at when there's battery issues, specifically system updates, power usage, and battery status. So on my handset here, we'll go ahead and select System Updates. We do see here that it states that everything's current. I'm going to go ahead and click on Device Software. That's going to go ahead and go out to the Google servers to see if there are any updates available. We'll give it just a moment here. It does look like I have a software update available, so we're going to go ahead and select Later. Don't want to load that now. So we want to certainly make sure that the software is up to date. We can also update the PRL profile directly from here. Next thing we want to look at is power usage, and you can see on my handset it has me flagged for high power usage. So we'll go ahead and select power usage. It says my usage is high. I currently have 97% of my battery life remaining. Now we got a couple of options here. We've got battery usage, which is going to show me about how my battery is being used and estimated use. Currently right now it says that the screen has taken up the majority of my power since I've taken it off the charger. We're going to go ahead and hit the back button here. We've got current power settings. We can come in here and take a look at this. It says my screen brightness is currently set at 100%. The screen timeout is set at 1 minute. My Wi-Fi is currently powered off. My GPS is turned on for satellite and network, and I've got 13 accounts. All of these things here make a huge impact on how well the battery holds a charge. So we can go directly in here to screen brightness, and we can go ahead and select auto. So when we encounter that, that's an easy, quick way for us to get in there and adjust those settings. We'll go ahead and back up again. We'll back up out of the power settings. We do see here that it also has power modes. So we can select on it, and we can see all the different power modes that are available. We can go ahead and select continue, and that's going to adjust everything automatically. So there's no having to go in and set every single settings. We can just have it done at once. I don't wish to do that today, so I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. One other thing to note here within Sprint Zone is we've got the Learn More button down at the bottom of every pane. We'll go ahead and click on that real quick. It's going to load up the information here. This is written for customers, and it's customized per device. So here on my Galaxy S7, it calls out specifically Galaxy S7. And it kind of walks the customer through how they can use this tool in the future in the event that they have problems. So just a great piece to review with customers when you have the opportunity. We're going to go ahead and back out one more time here, and we're going to go into battery status. So a little bit different from the power usage piece is this gives us specific information about the battery that's in my handset. Currently discharging. It says my battery's in good health. It gives me the current temperature. So as we have customers complain about temperature, their phone's hot or so forth, if we can try to duplicate that, we can see the temperature of the battery in those instances. We can see the voltage on the current battery and how many percent until the battery is fully drained, as well as the better battery technology. And again, it gives us right back to battery usage. And these are the tools that we need to use. We can see now that my battery has been updated, or the system's been updated, and 32% of my battery has now been consumed just in this tutorial of using Sprint Zone. So those are really the quick pieces that we can utilize to triage battery-related issues when it comes to Sprint Zone. Certainly, if you have questions, reach out to your SRSS, and we'll see you on the next Tech Talk.